Welcome to this complete Nagoya, Japan travel guide. Nestled in the heart of Japan, Nagoya is a city where the past meets the future, where tradition intertwines with technology. It's a place where you can marvel at the grandeur of ancient castles one moment and wander through a museum dedicated to the automotive industry the next. This city is a treasure trove of unique experiences, a fusion of old and new, and a testament to Japan's rich history and relentless drive for progress. From the majestic Nagoya Castle, standing tall as a symbol of the city's heritage, to the buzzing Osu shopping district, pulsating with life and energy, Nagoya invites you to explore its many wonders. And what better way to experience Nagoya's rich cultural tapestry than through its diverse attractions? So fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on a journey through time and technology. Without further ado, we'll dive into the first attraction, the Nagoya Castle. The Nagoya Castle, an imposing symbol of the city, beckons with its history. Rising majestically in the heart of Nagoya, the castle is a testament to the city's rich past. Constructed in the early 17th century, it served as a fortress during the Edo period, witnessing the rise and fall of many shogunates. The castle's architectural marvel, the Homaru Palace, enchants with its intricate wall paintings, sliding doors, and coffered ceilings. It's a stunning display of Japanese artistry, reflecting the opulence of the era. But it's not all about the past. The ongoing restoration projects are breathing new life into the castle, ensuring its legacy continues for future generations. Within the castle grounds, you'll also find beautiful gardens blooming with cherry blossoms in spring, offering a serene escape amidst the city bustle. Now let's move from the past to the cutting-edge technology at the Toyota Commemorative Museum. From the castle to carriages, the Toyota Commemorative Museum is a testament to Nagoya's industrial prowess. This fascinating museum is a time capsule showcasing the city's transformation from a textile hub to an automotive titan. The journey begins in the textile pavilion, where you're taken back to the 19th century, the era of the spinning wheel and looming machine. The museum brings to life the intricate and complex process of textile production, which established the foundation for Toyota's success. Then, the narrative shifts gears to the automobile pavilion, where you witness the evolution of the automobile. From the reproduction of Toyota's first car, the Model AA, to the futuristic hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, the museum encapsulates the spirit of innovation that drives Toyota and, by extension, Nagoya. The Toyota Commemorative Museum is more than a collection of artifacts. It's a narrative of perseverance, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Next, let's visit a place of tranquility amidst the city hustle, the Atsuta Shrine. Atsuta Shrine, a serene oasis in the heart of Nagoya. This historic site is one of the most important Shinto shrines in Japan, boasting a rich tapestry of cultural and spiritual significance. Amidst the hustle and bustle of urban Nagoya, it offers a tranquil retreat where you can soak in the peaceful atmosphere, be it under the shade of centuries-old trees or by the calming waters of its sacred pond. From tranquility, we move to high-speed excitement at the SCMAGLEV Railway Park. All aboard for a journey into the world of speed, the SCMAGLEV Railway Park. This railway-themed park in Nagoya is a testament to Japan's love affair with trains. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the evolution of railway technologies, from steam locomotives to the futuristic magnetic levitation, or maglev, trains. The park's centerpiece is the maglev train, a marvel of engineering that floats above the tracks, propelled by powerful magnets. Imagine a train ride so smooth your tea wouldn't spill a drop. Now that's what I call a brew-tyful journey. The park also houses an impressive collection of retired trains, each with a unique story to tell. You'll get to see the Shinkansen, or bullet train, the pride of Japan's railway system, and many other train models that have served the country over the decades. Fasten your seatbelts, because this park will take you on a thrilling ride through the history and future of railway travel. Next, we'll dive into the underwater world at the Port of Nagoya Public Aquarium. Discover the wonders of the deep at the Port of Nagoya Public Aquarium. Here you're plunged into a world of aquatic marvels, from the playful dolphins to the mysterious giant squid. The aquarium hosts an array of life, each more fascinating than the last. This underwater paradise houses a captivating variety of marine species, each with their own unique story. And let's not forget the mesmerizing jellyfish gracefully dancing in the water, From the depths of the ocean, we move to the greenery of the Noritake Garden. Let's stroll through the Noritake Garden, a peaceful retreat in the city. Amidst urban chaos, this garden offers tranquility. Previously a porcelain factory, it now symbolizes Japanese aesthetics, where well-kept greenery meets history. Nearby, the Nagoya City Science Museum, with the world's largest planetarium, offers interactive exhibits and astronomical shows. We then visit the Osu shopping district. A blend of old and new traditional shops meet modern boutiques. Our journey proceeds to the Tokugawa Art Museum, a trove of Japanese art. Subsequently, we find tranquility at Railway Park, an oasis adorned with cherry blossom trees and serene ponds. Our next stop is the Higashiyama Zoo and Botanical Gardens, home to exotic animals and lush gardens. Finally, we reach the Nagoya No Theatre, where traditional Japanese theatre exists in its purest form. Nagoya is truly a city that offers something for everyone. From serene gardens to bustling markets, from informative museums to tranquil parks, and from zoos to traditional theatres, Nagoya is an adventure waiting to unfold. Welcome to the Higashiyama Zoo and Botanical Gardens, a place where nature and wildlife thrive. Home to over 125 species, the zoo is a testament to the world's biodiversity. From the magnificent lions, agile primates, to the exotic reptiles, each animal holds an enchanting story. Let's walk into the aviary. Listen to the symphony of bird songs and observe the rainbow of feathers. Next, we step into the botanical gardens. The air is fresh with the scent of varied flora, and the landscape is a palette of green. From the cherry blossoms that herald spring to the crimson maples of autumn, the gardens are a year-round spectacle. Now let's visit the insect hall. Here, the zoo emphasizes the importance of every creature, no matter how small, in maintaining our ecosystem. This place isn't just an attraction, it's an educational hub, fostering awareness about conservation and the need to protect our planet's biodiversity. From the wild, we move to the world of art at the Nagoya City Art Museum in our next stop. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the captivating city of Nagoya. Immerse yourself in the world of art at the Nagoya City Art Museum. As we step into the museum, we encounter an extensive collection of modern and contemporary art. Each piece, from abstract paintings to sculptural installations, is a testament to the artist's creativity and vision. The museum isn't just about the art on display. Its unique architecture, with sleek lines and modern design, is a spectacle in itself, adding to the aesthetic experience. Let's dive deeper. From time to time, the museum hosts special exhibitions, introducing works from renowned artists and providing a platform for emerging talent. These exhibitions act as a bridge, connecting Nagoya to the global art scene. Art has the power to inspire, to provoke thought, and to stir emotions, and this museum is a testament to that power. As we leave the museum, we carry with us the stories and emotions embedded in each artwork. From art, we move to the vibrant nightlife at Sakai. Stay with us as we continue to explore the many faces of Nagoya. Experience the vibrant nightlife at Sakai, the downtown district of Nagoya. As we step into the heart of the city, we are greeted by the bustling streets filled with a myriad of shops, restaurants, and bars. Each establishment, with its own unique charm, lights up the night, creating a lively atmosphere that pulses with energy. This is where Nagoya comes alive. Amid the cityscape stands the iconic Nagoya TV tower. As we ascend, we are treated to a stunning night view of the city, a sea of twinkling lights that stretches as far as the eye can see. In Sakai, every night is a celebration. The city's vibrant nightlife, marked by laughter, music, and the clinking of glasses, paints a picture of a city that truly knows how to enjoy life. But the night is still young. As we leave Sakai, we carry with us the vibrant energy and the unforgettable memories of a night well spent. From the city lights, we move to the tranquil Toganji Temple. Stay with us as we continue our journey through Nagoya. From the tranquility of Toganji Temple, we now step into the bustling heart of Nagoya, the Osu Kannon Temple. This temple is a hub of activity and a beloved landmark for locals. Every day, the temple grounds are filled with people who come to pray, shop, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Just steps away from the temple is the bustling Osu shopping district, a treasure trove of antiques, local crafts, and delicious street food. The temple itself is a marvel with its bright red exterior, towering pagoda, and intricate carvings. This temple is a testament to Nagoya's rich history and cultural heritage. As we take in the lively surroundings, the temple's large wooden cannon statue, one of the largest in Japan, stands as a beacon of spirituality amidst the bustle. This is the Osu Cannon Temple, a place where tradition and modernity meet. From the busy streets of Osu Cannon, we prepare to wrap up our journey through Nagoya. Stay tuned as we draw our tour to a close. That marks the end of our exhilarating journey through Nagoya. Today's expedition weaved us through a stunning array of experiences, each imparting a distinct fragment of Nagoya. We've traversed from the illustrious Nagoya Castle, bearing the traditions and architectural marvels of the city, to the modern symbol of innovation, the Toyota Commemorative Museum of Industry and Technology. Nagoya's charm lies in its perfect blend of old and new. The city offers a refuge for every traveler, whether you're seeking tranquility at the Atsuta Shrine or curious about Japan's railway history at the SCMAGLEV Railway Park. The Nagoya Public Aquarium and Noritake Garden provide immersive experiences, while the Nagoya city sates our curiosity. Shopping enthusiasts can lose themselves in the Osu shopping district, and art lovers can marvel at the Tokugawa Art Museum. Heiwa Park and the Higashiyama Zoo and Botanical Gardens offer natural sanctuaries, and the Nagoya No Theatre revives cultural heritage. Each of these enriching sites embodies Nagoya's spirit. Appreciate your company on this exploration. Until we venture again, have safe journeys.